Good morning, this is Miss Crute. Today I'm going to do an example of the Iris Scott Shaking Dog project. So you can follow along with the handout. I'm going to do the second dog that looks more like a Boston Terrier than a Golden Retriever. But you can choose which one you want to do. Alright, so we're trying to show movement in this project, so the dog's pose is important. We want to make sure that it's tilted to the side. I'm going to start with the nose. So about in the middle, I'm going to put a diagonal line, short, for the side of the nose. I'm going to come in and curl it a little bit, like so. Then we're going to do the line that comes down in the middle of the mouth, top of our snout, and then I'm going to connect the two like that. Good. If you want to add a tongue, you can, hanging out of the mouth, or just do the little chin. I like to add the little whisker dots to mine. Okay, from there, we're ready to start on our head. So I'm going to start by doing the top of the head. And then I curve down and connect it to the side of the cheeks. Okay, now I'm ready for the eyes, which are two curved lines. Whoopsies. Then we do the line for the lighter part of the face, down the middle. We need our ears that are in motion, so this one is going up. And then our other one is flapped down on the side of the head. There we go. Then we're going to add in two curved lines for our body. I'm going to put a little white area on the chest. Good. And then you would add color to that, okay? So I added color in my finished one here. You can see I shaded in with the black and gray and a little bit of pink. Then you're ready to add the motion lines and the water droplets. You can either do this by following along with the handout if you have paint. If you don't have paint, you can do it just as well with crayons or markers. So to do it with crayons or markers, I pick a couple different colors of blue or purple because we're making water. And then I'm going to add a couple directional lines to help me place my water droplets. So I'm going to use a different blue now, and I'm going to go in and make some raindrops, and you want to kind of follow along your lines that you already created. Add one over here as well. So I'm going to add more than just the ones I'm doing right now. But that's what I'm going to start with. Now I'm going to use a darker blue. So we want to put a lot in there to fill up the space of the background. And they don't all have to be the raindrop shape. Some of them can just be little dots to help fill in that negative space. Okay. You can even add some on your dog's face if you want. So here's my finished one again. You can see lots of little water droplets, and they kind of follow the motion of my dog's shaking head, which is what we wanted to show in our artwork today, show movement. All right, have fun. Don't forget to send me a picture of your finished artwork.